I'm Sam Torley. I've been here at Crossmuller for 8 years and I'm the fabrication supervisor. So I live here on the Central Coast, close to Crossmuller. I'm just a husband, got 2 kids. It's great, it's close to the kids' schools, beaches and to home. The reason I came here at the start was the opportunities and the work. There was a lot of work available here at that time, a lot of overtime. Still is a lot of work that hasn't really stopped in the 8 years I've been here. From a Boilermaker's point of view, it's quite easy. There's a lot of good equipment. We have brand new water-cooled welders, a lot of overhead cranes, a lot of manual handling equipment. All the CNC machines do all the drilling and cutting for us, so it's basically like putting Lego together at the end of the day. So safety is a big factor here at Crossmuller. We have our own safety coordinator who basically runs everything for us, does a lot of our paperwork, which is handy. We typically always have a lot of structural going through the workshop, so your columns, rafters, trusses, that sort of thing. We also juggle excavator buckets, hoppers, trucks, semi-trailers and everything in between. It's a typically fast-paced environment out there. Jobs are flying through the workshop with all the equipment we've got, so if there's any problem with the drawings or any revision, the in-house drafting and engineering is definitely a benefit as we can get their problem solved straight away. We've got a good team, a big team split across 2 shifts, day shift and evening shift. We've got a lot of roles in that team, so we have machine operators, yardsmen, painters, Boilermaker tradesmen and apprentices. A lot of varied ages out there, so it's a good culture. Everyone gets along and we work as a team to get the job done. I think an apprentice would find it quite exciting working here. There's a lot of different trades, not just in our area. So you get to see a lot of different stuff, and we have a lot of new equipment which, coming out of some schools on the coast, that would be a bit of an eye-opener. So the kind of Boilermaker we're looking for is just an easygoing hard worker who's willing to show up every day.